Good day everyone. Today, I'll be sharing the results of my Big 5 personality test. The test measures 5 major traits of personality: openness, conscientiousness, extraversion, agreeableness, and natural reactions. First, under openness to experience, I scored 23%, which is in the low range. This means that I am more of a traditional and practical person. I prefer realistic and structured approaches rather than abstract or creative ones. I tend to stick with familiar methods and focus on what's proven to work rather than experimenting with new ideas. Second, in conscientiousness or work ethic, I scored 17%, also in the low range. This shows that I am more spontaneous and flexible. I like having the freedom to adjust my plans instead of following strict schedules. Third, for extraversion, my score is 28%, which is considered low. This means that I am more reserved and quiet. I usually prefer working alone or in smaller groups. I am not very outgoing and I tend to avoid being leadership roles. However, this also means that I am focused and comfortable working independently. Fourth, in agreeableness, I got 50%, which is in the middle range. This means I can balance being kind and cooperative with being firm and independent. I can work well with others, but I also know when to stand my ground when needed. Lastly, under natural reactions or emotional stability, I scored 89%, which is high. This shows that I'm calm, relaxed, and emotionally stable. I don't get upset easily, even in stressful situations. I can stay composed and handle problems with a clear mind.